This makes me want to suplex some weaves in a mosh pit.
It's beautiful.
No. This is absolute garbage. This is pig. This is pig.
These eyes are fire.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for.
The anime of the year has finally come to its jaw-dropping conclusion. And no, I'm not talking about Bletch. How dare y'all censor Rukia's cheat? I'm talking about Chainsaw Man. And as soon as I heard it was gonna have 12 different outros, I knew I wanted to make this video and put them up against each other in a battle royale and see who comes out on top. This is the Chainsaw Man ending tier list. I've made my own tier list, my own tier chart from 1 to 12. Don't let the pictures fool you. It's 1 through 12. At the very bottom is absolute trash. Here are all of the different endings. We are gonna rank them. Starting off with ending number 1. You gotta love that chainsaw intro. I forgot to say, this isn't ranking just the song. This is taking everything into consideration. Where should I put this? Definitely not number 1. I know that much, personally. This is probably stupid, but I don't like how in the song, he literally says, Chainsaw Devil, Blood Devil. I feel like that's kind of corny. I'm just gonna put this at number 6. At number 6 for right now. And just because I put it at number 6 doesn't mean it's gonna stay there. Ending number 2. Yeah. Ah! Bro, that bass! That bass, dude! Oh, that's so funky! Oh, you smell that funk? You smell that? This is my favorite part. This is my favorite part. Bro! I love that song, dude. I love it. The animation, so simple, so clean, cute, beautiful. Love it. I listen to this song every single day. I'm not including this as part of the ranking, but this is my absolute favorite part of the song. Where she absolutely goes off. It's definitely 1 through 4. It's up there. It's 1 through 4 right now. I'm gonna put it here. Number 3. And number 3. The number 3 spot. Ending number 3. Here we go. Ooh. Here we go, dude. Here we go. Devil, no name of devil. Demon in the name of devil. Devil in the name of devil. Bro. Devil in the name of devil.
Come.
Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. This is Chainsaw Man. This song is pure, raw, unfiltered chaos. But chaos that you want to be a part of. This makes me want to suplex some weaves in a mosh pit. And then Makima comes in and breaks the chaos. And it's just peace and harmony. That's pretty damn ironic. And the cone part, bro. The cone. Let me frickin' rank it. I gotta say, I'm gonna put it at number 1 for now, dude. Like I said, it could change, but right now, it's at number 1. Oh, powers ending. Dude, I gotta say, this is one of my favorite ending animations of all time. I mean, I gotta try and do it.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I love the animation. The song, however, it's not my favorite. Not my cup of tea. If my homies gave me the aux cord, I would not play this song ever. Let's rank it. I love the animation, but the song is not my favorite. I'm gonna put it at number 8. I'm gonna put it at number 8 for right now. Here we go. I freaking love Kobeni's scared animation. It is so freaking adorable, dude. Ooh! Ooh!
Dear God, it's beautiful.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo! We're making a unicorn.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
You could pause it at any single moment, and it is better than anything Da Vinci ever made. Every single frame of that animation literally belongs in a museum. Bro, woo, my headphones caught on fire, bro. Let's rank it. Is it better than Devil in the name of Devil? Devil in the name of Devil. The animations for this ending were definitely better than number 3. Number 3. The song, number 2 for now. Ending numero 6. I think I know what this one is. Nah, dude, nah. This is absolute garbage. I can't continue listening to that. This is the weakest animation, the weakest song. This is trash. Trash, bro. I never want to listen to this again. Take a look at the ranking so far. Ending number 3 at number 1. Ending number 5, number 2. Number 2 at number 3. Number 1 is at number 6. Ending number 7. Let's keep it going. Yes! It's so beautiful, dude. Bro, yeah! This is big! This is big! Bro, how can you not feel this in your soul? How can you not feel this in your soul? Oh, look at his pedal, dude!
Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
cancer. Inject the sound waves directly into my soul. That is peak. That is perfection. It does not get better than that. Bro, the nostalgic vibes of the animation, it's so comforting, so warm. You can feel it in your soul. The hot babes, the absolute babes, all the Chainsaw Man girls just looking like straight up pinup models. It is perfect. This is perfect. This is peak. Y'all are gonna hate me for this, but I don't care. I don't care. This is facts. This is facts. Do not argue with me. This is a million Gordon Ramsay chef kisses. Mwah, 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 mwah. That's number one. Without a doubt. Number one, that is peak. It does not get better than that. The babes, the nostalgic vibes, the beautiful animation, and Himeno and Makima lip syncing the song. Bro, how can you get better than that? There is no topping that. That image of Himeno and Makima lip syncing the song literally plays 24/7 in my head. All I need, bro, perfection. Ending number 8.
Ooh, yeah, baby.
Oh, he's shredding. He is shredding on that guitar. Love the voice. Love the voice. Bro, that is such a chaotic song. Chaotic, yet hauntingly beautiful. Beautiful tribute to Himeno. Number 8. I think number 5. Number 5 is a good place for it, yeah. Like, turn that shit up, bro. Turn that shit up. Woo. How many songs we got left to go? 4? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 more songs to go, bro. 4 more songs. The animation is definitely a lot more simpler than all of the rest. The song, I would not play this on the aux cord. My homies hand me the aux cord. I am never gonna play this song. I just don't want to listen to it again. I gotta say, it's right down here in the trash. Ending number 10. My favorite part. Dude, Makima's lollipop. Pochita, there you go running, Pochita, that's you, bro. I love the real world imagery in this. That's a beautiful scene at the very end. Hey, I gotta say, turn that shit up. Ending number 11. Here we go.
Violence.
Bro, I'm gonna fall, dude. If you're ever depressed, just put this song on. Just start playing this song. Depression away. Oh, my girl power, bro. My girl power. Oh, look at her go. Oh, what did they put in this song, dude? What did they put in this song? Bro, what did they put in that song? The vibes are immaculate. Bro, this is where it gets hard. Bro, Pochita, you gotta help me out, Pochita. You gotta help me out. Number one, that's not moving. Number one is not moving. Chainsaw, devil, demon in the name of death. Bro, that is Chainsaw Man. That is Denji. That's not going anywhere. Ending number 5. Bro, that is literal art. Ending number 2. Bro. Dude, I love the story. The story that the animation in ending number 2 tells. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But the animation, like the only standout part to me was literally Power's 3-second clip. Bro, y'all are gonna hate me.
It comes with the ugly.
Number 7 spot. Number 7 spot. Is number 12? Is number 12 gonna end up in the number 10 spot? Is number 12 gonna end up here? We're in the end game now. This is the end game. I love the animation for this ending. I love the animation. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Bro, this is so beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Oh, so cute, dude. So cute, dude. So beautiful. I love this ending. So many comments were saying, Eve, they saved the best for last. This is the best ending. But it's not number 1. It is not number 1. It is not dethroning ending number 7. Hell no. Hell no. Bro, hate me all you want. It is not better than ending number 7. Ending number 3. Ending number 3. Ending number 3 is just an entirely different beast. Bro, no. Ending number 5. The visuals in ending number 5 are insane, bro. Insane. I love the number 12 song more. I love Fight Song more than ending number 5. No, it's not better, dude. I'm sorry. The visuals for number 5 just go so hard. And the visuals elevate the song, bro. Like I said, I love song number 2. I listen to it every single day. And both of the ending animations were literally all 3 of them together. Ending number 2, they were like separate. They were separate. But in this one, in ending number 12, they were together from the start. Taking my personal bias out of it, I think it's right here. This is absolute bliss. This is bliss. This is heavenly. Okay. I know what we're doing. I know where they're gonna go. I know where it's gonna go. Give me a sec. Spot. The very first intro. The very first ending. Down a spot. Violence. You're going down the spot. Tribute to Himeno. I'm sorry. You're going down the spot, Himeno. Rah. Dogland. You're going down the spot. You're going down the spot. I'm sorry. Zutomayo. You're going down the spot. Bro, insane. Number 12. Ending number 12. At the number 4 spot. Ending number 12 at the number 4 spot. Y'all are gonna hate me for this. And we are done. That's it, bro. That's it. Ending number 7. It is not moving. I'm not budging on that. That is perfection. That is peak anime outro. Ending number 3. That is Chainsaw Man. That is the definition of Chainsaw Man. Ending number 5. Insane visuals. Elevate the song. Like put that entire outro in a museum. It belongs in the loo. Ending number 12. That is Bliss. Ending number 2. Turn that shit up. Dogland, rah rah. At number 6. Tribute to Himeno. Number 7. Violence. At number 8. The very first outro. At number 9. Like, I'm sorry. Like, parts of it were just a little corny to me. The tribute to Power. My favorite Chainsaw Man girl. All the way at number 10, bro. All the way at number 10. Ending number 8. Like, I'm sorry. I just do not plan on listening to you ever again. It could have been better. And absolute garbage, dumpster fire, dumpster juice, garbage juice. Ending number 6, absolute garbage. Well, that's my ranking. If anyone actually watched this, do you agree with me? Am I 100% right? I know I am. I don't need you to tell me I am. Like, I know this is facts, but I want to hear what you think. Like, what's your opinion? Do you agree with me? Am I the stupidest human on the face of the earth? And you hate my guts? What did I get wrong?